Hello everybody, CozyAzeroth, aka Zachary Fruhling here, back with program number 14, Sorting Scores from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Pina Colada, are you still around? My new friend and viewer Pina Colada was watching my previous stream, and I'm going to get busy typing in sorting scores. Very similar to the last program, except I believe that it takes a set of scores and maybe names and scores and then reorders them according to their numerical score. So I'm going to read the description here. Sorting scores. Here's how to sort a set of scores. Any numbers can be used. 0 is assumed to be lower than any positive number, and a negative number is lower than 0. Key in as many numbers as you like, then key a 0 when you want your computer to compute final results. Obviously, a 0 cannot be in the set of numbers you are sorting, since we use 0 to get out of the input loop. At the end of the run, the computer will tell you which number is lowest and which is highest. Okay, let's get busy. Let's get into TI Basic. And let's start typing. 10, call clear, that clears the screen. 20, input, type a score. Okay, and we're going to call that in. 30, if n equals 0, then 170. If n equals 0, then 170. 40. S equals s plus 1. 50. Go to, 50. If s equals 1, then 70. If s equals 1, then 70. 60, go to 100. Dust on the keyboard there. 70. ln equals n. 80. hn equals n. Lowest number and highest number, I believe. 90. Go to 20. 100. If n is less than ln, then 120. It occurred to me after the fact I should be saving these as I'm doing them, so I don't have to retype them. But arguably, typing them in is part of the fun of these old programs. 110, go to 130. 120, ln equals n. 130. If n is greater than hn, then 150. 40, go to 20. 150, hn equals n. 160, go to 20. 170, call clear, clears the screen again. 80, print low number is, oh, that's not right, space, quote, and semicolon hn, wait, sorry, ln, there we go, 190, print high number is HN. Space, quote, semicolon, HN. $200 for Z equals 1 to 10. $210 print. Okay, $220 next Z. Just a little for next loop that prints 10 empty lines. $230 print for a different. $240 print set of numbers, comma, quote, 250. I wonder if we lost pina colada there. 250 input, press enter. Any punctuation? Nope. And we do have this weird placeholder variable ky string, which doesn't do anything other than just stores the input and gives you a way to move forward in the program. Again, if I were doing this, I probably would have used call key. I don't know why this author has an aversion to using call key. 260 s equals 0. 270 ln equals 0. 280, so we're basically resetting everything here. HN equals 0. 290 go 210, and that's it. Oops, sorry about that. 290 go to 10. Okay, and this time we actually have a sample run here, so type a bunch of scores and it gives us the low and the high score. I thought this was going to order them, but sorting scores. Oh, yeah, just which number is lowest and which is highest. It's very similar to this program, the last one we did, find highest lowest, except we don't have the names. I'm not sure why exactly this is better, but that's okay. It's not my book. Okay, let's clear the screen. Let's list out the program. I'm just going to skim it for obvious typos. Debugging programs in TI Basic is a basic nightmare if you have a line typed in incorrectly. And let's go ahead and run the program. Okay, so let's just do the same as the sample run. 321. 789. 654. 135. 864. 285. 432. 915. Okay, and that's the last one, so we enter a 0 to move forward. There we go. Lowest number is 135, high number is 915. Let's get a screenshot of that. And let's do that again because I want to get a screenshot as I enter the numbers in. 321, same numbers. Doesn't really matter. 789, 654, 135, 864, 285, 432, line 15. Okay, let's get a screenshot of this. Actually, let's... Okay. And we'll hit 0. And now let's do a totally different set of numbers here. So it said it takes negative scores. So let's do, I don't know, we'll just type in some gobbledygook here. 657, negative 78, 666, 777, 831, 916, big area codes, 707, blah blah blah, 415, and let's do negative 831 and negative 45, and let's do 65. Pretty good set of scores here. Now if we type enter, it should give us the lowest and the highest. Yep, the low number is negative 831, the high number is 916. That's kind of fun. And that is what is called sorting scores from 101 programming tips and tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, some retro programming, retro gaming, and a lot of World of Warcraft streaming, along with some educational content. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel as well if you want to watch me do some streams live. Same kind of content, but you can participate if you follow me live on Twitch. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel, follow me on the other platform, and I appreciate any likes and subscribes, especially the subscriptions, since these are difficult times and every little bit helps. So thank you everyone for watching and participating. I will be back in a few minutes. I'm going to get these last 2 videos uploaded to YouTube. I'll be back in a few minutes live on Twitch with program number 15. So if you are watching this live on Twitch, hang tight and I will be back in a few minutes. Catch everyone soon.